how to log out of your YouTube account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Masnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of your YouTube account. Now, logging out of YouTube account is a bit tricky, so let me guide it through. First things first, you can open up YouTube. Now, as you know, there is no any option to log out on YouTube. You want to head into your profile first. You can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner, right? Now here under profile, you can see switch account and Google account option. You can either tap on switch account or you can tap on Google account as well. Now you can tap on switch account, and if you wish to log it out from this account, you can switch to other accounts. However, if you wish to log it out, you want to simply tap on manage accounts option, and now here you'll be able to see all the accounts, the Google accounts that you're logged in on, right? So you want to simply tap on a particular Google account that your YouTube account is linked to, and once you tap on it, you want to tap on remove account. So you'll have to remove your Google account in order to log out from YouTube. There is no any other ways to do so. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.